Good day. Here is the part 1 list of commonly used adjectives. In order to have a good practice, kindly record while reading the adjective loud and clear. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. By the way, adjective is a word that describes a noun. And now, let us hear from Zach Harvey Gordula of Lopez Elementary School, Los Baños, Laguna, a grade 4 pupil with a lot of gold medals for his excellence in mathematics here and abroad. Take it away, Zach.
Good, courageous, adventurous, cooperative, alert, aggressive, first, last, long, great, little, own, other, old, right, big, high, different, small, large, next, early, young, few, public, bad, same, adorable,
Amiable,
amiable, amused, pleasing, appetizing, average, beautiful, exasperated, blushing, bored, brave, bright, dim, broad, bulky, burly, charming, graceful, cheerful, glorious, careful, grieving, handsome, lovely, lonely, lively,
lively,
lucky, large, huge, salty, round, sarcastic, nervous, naughty, simple, nasty, appealing, chubby, clear, clean, lean, cloudy, clueless, clumsy, cool, creepy, crooked, boiling, cumbersome, curved, cynical, dangerous, daring, delicious, disturbed, dreadful, busy, dull, drained, adorable,
Deceitful.
dashing, decayed, deep, boastful, helpless, helpful, hungry, hollow, shallow.
Watch our part 2 of the list of adjectives. Inaanyayahan ko ang mga kabataan na gustong sumali sa libreng tutorial ng IVFC. Sali lang po kayo from Mondays to Saturdays. See you there!